How to hide address on Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to hide your address from the packing slip template on your Shopify store. So it is very easy to do. Let's just go and get to it. First you will need to open up your Shopify admin and go to the settings from the bottom left corner. Once you click on settings, you simply just want to click on shipping and delivery. Now you want to scroll to the bottom and you should be able to find the shipping documents. From the shipping documents, you're going to also find the packing slip template. If you click on that and preview it, you can see that it's going to include the address at the bottom, which I didn't add to my Shopify store, so this is why the entire thing is not shown. But if you actually did add your address, it's going to be down here. Anyways, we want to hide that. So in order to do so, we want to just get this code first and create a backup of it. To do so, you simply just want to click anywhere on this code, do Control A. So simply just select all, and then you just want to copy it. So just make sure you copy this entire piece of code. Go ahead and paste it into your notes and make sure that you have a copy of it in case things go wrong, which most likely than not, nothing's going to go wrong here, but just in case. After this is done, you simply just want to scroll down to almost 190. So it's going to be in here. So between, let's say, 170 to 200, it's going to be around there somewhere. You're going to be able to find the thank you for shopping with us. And then underneath, you should be able to find shop address summary. You simply just want to highlight this and the BR on top of it and just delete both of them. Click on save. And we're good to go. We can preview the template now, and if you did actually have an address, now it's going to be pretty much hidden. And this is it. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.